Hi, I'm Luke Kruger from Utopia Clivias, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect mix for your Clivia seeds. So what we need is cocoa peat. This is a 5 kg block. Then we need some peat moss. Anything has to be sterile, that's very important. Then we have our perlite and then our swimming pool filter sand. So the first thing to do is open your cocoa peat because this expands. So you need about 10 liters of water. There you go. Put that into your bowl and then you throw in your 10 liters of water. This is going to stay overnight and it will basically just expand. This is what it looks like now. Okay, so this is after a day. Then it's nice and expanded and nice and big. You could even add a bit more water if it looks a bit dry. Now I'm going to show you how to make a mix. Okay. So we need some of our cocoa peat. This is just a quick mix. Some of our cocoa peat block, some of our peat moss. See, that's some of our perlite, and then a bit of river sand. River sand, swimming pool filter sand, as long as it's sterile. And then we need to mix this all together. And if the quantities don't look right, it needs to be nice and airy, you can just add either or. Okay, I need to add a bit of cocoa peat because that's a bit too much. Okay, let's add some of this block. There we go. And that should be your perfect sterile Clivia seed mix.